Hi, I'm Victoria Lansford, and welcome to this Zoom orientation for how to get the most out of taking an online class or a meeting on Zoom. Can everyone see everybody else okay? Everybody know where the... Hi, Celina?
Oh, just saying hi to the class.
Oh, okay. All right, that's cool. So,
Hi, how's it going?
Hey, Lindsay, how you doing?
I'm so excited to be here. I've been waiting so much for this class.
Oh, that's just so awesome to hear. Thanks. That's really, really cool. So can you guys see each other in the Brady Bunch view? You got the speaker view up at the right, and there's an exit full screen if you need to see something else. And
Where is that on my PC?
well, it should be in the same place. Can you look in the upper right? You see the speaker view? No, the upper right of your screen, Lindsay.
Sorry, what's that?
What?
Oh, sorry. Oh, on the upper right of my screen, the
Yeah.
X.
What?
There's an X?
No, the speaker view. Can you see the speaker view?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so if you could
Do I
click
click
on,
there?
yeah, click on gallery view, and then you can see everybody at one time. Do you have a touch screen?
No,
You want to use your mouse?
I figured it out.
All right, okay, cool.
I don't have any speakers. I
You
don't
don't-
understand.
No, we are the speakers.
Weird.
Really loud.
Can
I
you
don't
hear me?
understand.
Can you hear me?
Right now?
What?
Right
What?
I'm sorry. My kids were in the room.
Oh, coworkers.
Coworkers.
Yeah. Yeah. There's a little bit of feedback. Does anybody know where that's coming from? If you've got noise in the background, maybe mute yourself. Does everybody know how to do that? In the lower left, there's a button that says mute. So, you know, if it gets really noisy on your end, you can hit that.
Where is that button on my PC? I can't hear you.
It's on your lower left, the lower left of the screen. Okay, and Jennifer, I can't hear you because you are muted.
How's that? Can you hear me now?
I can hear you great.
Okay.
Dee, how are you doing?
Are we good?
Yeah, you need to unmute yourself, sweetie.
Leave me alone. Let's go.
Somebody's having a party.
Doing good. Yeah, thank you for letting me know that. I totally didn't realize that I was still on mute.
You know what? It happens to all of us sometimes. Everybody okay so far? Anybody on an iPad?
I am.
Oh, you're on an iPad. Anybody else?
Yeah, I am.
Okay. Can you see everybody in the Brady Bunch view?
No, it just shows me the speakers one at a time for some reason. I haven't been able to find out where I'm supposed to touch.
Hey, look.
Wow.
Kind of trippy, right? Get it in front of the camera. Oh, there's Celina. Okay. So if you click down here, plus sign, then you can see everybody across the bottom. And you can't see everybody at the same time. So, you know, if you have a lot of people on the call, you kind of have to scroll across and then you get everybody on there. But wow, it's like infinity mirrors.
Wow.
Does my PC do that?
Yeah, if you can turn around and show it to itself.
Wait, Lindsay, is that you? Lindsay.
Jennifer!
Hey! Oh my God! I thought that was you.
It
Oh
was
my God!
amazing. How have you been?
I'm doing good. I haven't seen you since school. Oh my gosh!
So long. Oh my goodness.
Oh, it's great to see you guys. Oh,
Yet, I mean, this class is going on, but we're not actually using our tools yet.
I know. Yeah, it's pretty quiet. So, anyway, yeah, we'll have to get together for a drink later.
Yeah,
and
literally,
Brian.
right after this, let's do it.
Brian just came
Great.
in.
All right, now the question is, can anyone hear me?
Yes, we
Excellent.
can. Nice
can you-
safety glasses.
Can you hear the machines in the background is the real question.
No, but that's okay.
Okay.
We're okay with that.
Well,
Jennifer, if you're going to be hammering, would you mind hitting mute?
Oh, sure.
Cool, thanks. And you've got your hand up. Did you have a question? No, now you have to unmute yourself.
I didn't. Sorry, I forgot what it was.
Okay, well, you can click and take your hand down, I think.
Okay.
Yeah, there you go. You got that? Okay. Cool. All right.
I don't see any hand.
Uh,
Are you sure it's there?
Jennifer, you need to mute yourself. Okay,
Oh, sorry.
So if you do, I think it's in reactions, yeah?
Reactions. I don't see anything that says reactions.
Where are reactions on my PC?
The bottom of your screen.
Oh, on the bottom of the screen.
I just see, wait, what? There's just like the Google symbol?
Yeah.
Mine's not on the bottom.
That's
You
the
have a Google
more.
symbol? I don't have a Google symbol.
Don't worry about that. We're not going to do a live feed on Facebook or YouTube at this time. Yeah, you know what? I actually don't know where to raise your hand either. So it's not in reactions, but if you click reactions, you can get the thumbs up.
Not like this. Is that okay?
Yeah, that works.
Yeah,
that totally
Okay.
works.
Mute. I'm supposed to mute. I'm sorry.
Okay, well, Jennifer, can you tell us where you found the hand to raise?
Yes, I'm on an iPad, and mine is in the upper right corner where it says participants, and you can push that like little button and scroll down, and it says raise hand.
Hey, you know what? There it is. Coolness. All right. Good to know. Thanks for that. Yeah, and the real thumbs up. So Milt, did you actually have a question, or are you just raising
I
your?
was just trying to raise my hand.
Oh.
But now I know how. That works.
Totally works.
Okay.
Totally awesome. Looks like we have somebody else jumping in. Who seems to be muted.
Oh.
Having a hi.
I'm here. We can start now. What I miss?
Hi. Who are you?
I'm Meek.
Hi, Eek. You're joining us a little bit late, but that's okay.
Can you start over in case I missed something?
Well, no, we've already got the class going, so we can't really start from the beginning. But you know what? There's going to be a recording of it, so you'll be able to catch up to anything that you missed.
Very good. Can you send me a link?
Yeah, you'll get a link. Trust me, it'll be okay. Yeah, yeah.
Oh, did I ever tell you that I like cheese?
You like cheese?
I do, especially Gouda.
Well, that's cool. All right. Good to know. Yeah. Glad you're here.
So my dog had a mouse the other day, and I just showed him because I think that mouse knows this other mouse. I'm sorry for your loss, though.
Oh, wow, really? Did he bring it to your door? Okay, as long as you're not going to share a picture, we're all right.
Nope. I just showed the dog. We're training the dog.
Oh, okay. All right. We won't let Eek know about that. All right. So one more thing I need to show you guys is screen sharing, because sometimes in a class we're going to have, other video content or slides or whatever. And so I need to show you how that's going to work and make sure that you can see it. So I'm going to share my screen really quick and make sure my sound is on. And here we go. Hey, Deacon, what are you working on?
Oh, I'm telegraphing some Russian filigree.
Oh my God, he's so cute!
I know, right?
Are you gonna demo that?
Well, not now. When we do an actual online class and do all that, then yeah, they'll like.
Okay, because I'd really love if you demo like a how to do a gold bezel. That would be great, because I'm here at my bench and I would be happy if you were doing a demo.
You mean now?
Yeah. No.
Because I'm not really at my bench. I wasn't really set up for
Lindsay?
that on
Lindsay?
this call. And
I know. I totally want to know how to solder a bezel. I mean,
I know, right?
I've been in quarantine for 100 days. I don't even know.
Ready when you are.
Can you solder a bezel with a hammer?
You can do it with cheese.
Got my hammer.
Can I do that on a PC?
Yes, you can. When I actually do the demo of soldering a bezel, I'll make sure that you can see it on a PC.
Did I miss that demo?
What?
Did I miss the bezel demo? What happened?
No, it's another day. Don't worry about it.
Which day was it?
No, it hasn't happened yet.
No, but I paid to see bezel soldering, and now I missed it.
Yay, we're gonna do bezel soldering?
Was
I
it
thought we were-
That was last week.
no, it's coming up. You haven't missed it.
I think it was in the picture on your website. I was so excited when I saw it. Are we going to do that one too?
Well, when we do the real metalsmithing classes, yeah, we're actually going to do that stuff. I promise. And it'll be at the bench, and it'll be me and not just Deacon, although he might be there too. But Jennifer, you're on.
Sorry.
Yeah. No problem. Glad we can provide a little entertainment while you're watching and working. That's yeah. We're just gonna leave that. Okay.
Yeah, I'm here. Sorry.
And Brian's sort of gone. Brian, is this your mask? Is this part of the regulations for working at New Concept? And can't really hear you, but it looks cool. I'm sure it's very, very safe. I still can't hear you. Mostly I see a large mouse.
Yeah.
Yeah, so anyway, I think this pretty much wraps it up. Does anybody have any other questions about how Zoom functions, or how you'll be able to see stuff, or where the close-up camera is going to be, or how you find
There's a close-up camera?
Well, not on this call. But
Do I
there
have
will
that
be.
on my PC?
Yes, you will have that on your PC. You will absolutely have that on your PC.
What about on a phone?
I would recommend definitely, it's a good question, definitely being on a PC or laptop, Mac, or an iPad, and then you're going to be able to find the
Well, what
views.
if I don't, I mean, the phone is, it's a better thing for me. I don't really have a computer that I can, show you. I think, if I really need to, come down or whatever above what I'm working with, what suggestions like for setup or?
You don't have as many functions, but you can still watch most of the video from your phone.
So, on the iPad, you'd want to find whichever
I'll be right
one
back.
is the close-up camera. So that would be the close-up camera, because it would be over there at the actual bench. And so you'd just be able to select that on the phone. But just keep in mind that you may want to be looking at really detailed stuff, and you're looking on the small screen. So I don't know, magnifying glass, readers, wear your optivisor, maybe a microscope. Milt, you got your hand up.
I'm working on this piece and I need some help. Could you help me with this?
I'd love to. What I can see of it looks really gorgeous, but it's
right
flying
here.
all over the place.
Right
So
here.
I can't quite. I tell you
Trouble
what.
with this.
Maybe you could send me a picture.
Now?
Well, yeah, or maybe after the call.
But it's really simple. I'm just looking for help on this.
Yeah, which bit?
This bit.
It's really a very convincing butterfly. Yeah, no, you got to hold it really, really, really still, because otherwise Zoom won't pick it up.
I'm trying, but
yeah,
Making
no,
me
I think you're gonna have to
seasick.
send me a still,
okay.
and
All
then I'll be
right.
able to figure it out.
All right.
I love it so much.
It's pretty, isn't it?
So pretty.
Want to see it again? Look.
I think I'm getting seasick.
Oh, sorry. I'll put it down.
Uduak, I think you just maybe shared your screen by mistake. Did
Wait, oh, sorry.
No problem. Lovely artwork. We seem to have somebody else that joined the call. Yeah. Hi. Hello. Well, you seem to be on mute, but that's okay. That's all right. You just hang out, learn what you need to learn. There'll be a recording since you came in late. I noticed some of you guys are maybe kind of doing a lot at once. Are you can still see all of us okay?
Oh, yeah.
You can still see what's going on? Ugh. I may need to step away and
Getting
take a
seasick
Dramamine.
again.
Hey, I'm back. You got all that? You know how to use Zoom now? Or what not to do? Well, yeah, okay, maybe it was a little bit confusing, but let me go over a few things to help you out. First of all, when you come into a Zoom meeting, it's really polite to mute yourself. You can find the mute button here, or if you're on an iPad here, or on a phone here. It's a good idea to always glance back up in that corner and make sure you're muted if you're not talking. And of course, if you are talking, make sure that you unmute yourself first. And then you mute yourself when you're finished asking your question or adding your comment. That way, nobody has to listen to your coworkers come in and ask what's for dinner or bark or meow or scream or whatever. It's really important because we want to make sure that everybody has a fun experience and that there's not a lot of distracting background noise going on. Hey, want that cool Brady Bunch view? Then look in the upper right of your desktop app and select Gallery View. If you're on an iPad, those options are going to be located on the left side toward the top left corner. If you'd like to select one view to see, such as if there's a close-up camera, on the desktop app, hover over that image in the gallery view, and it will pull up the option to pin that speaker. Another thing you may want to see is the chat window. But just remember that when you're chatting to everyone, you're chatting to everyone. If you have to come in late, pretend like you're sneaking in the back door and make sure you're on mute when you enter so that you're not distracting for everybody else who's already been there talking or learning. Want to use a virtual background? Hey, you can find those here, but do keep in mind that it kind of distorts the area around your head, and if anybody else comes in or if you're trying to show something on screen, it may look a little funny. But you can easily upload any photo you want or use one of Zoom's background photos that are already installed. It's a great way to hide a distracting background when maybe you didn't have time to clean up before 300 people showed up in your living room. We really are all in this together, and it's up to us to create a safe, fun, efficient, and considerate space for everybody who's on the call. Some of us are in these classes and meetings because we want to learn something, and some of us are in them because we really need a distraction from the world's anxiety right now, and some of us are in them because we really miss a sense of community of taking class from people in person, and having that outlet, being able to connect with people is super important. But just like if you're in person, you want to do it in a way that's considerate for everybody. Thanks to all of my instructors who did such a great job behaving badly on purpose. You guys were over the top and so much fun to work with. Take care. Stay safe.
Am I still
Hey,
muted?
we can hear you.
I forgot to turn on the other half of the mic.
For real?
Yeah, for real.